decided to write our own vows, it seemed like the obvious choice for us. We're two people who march to the beat of our own drums, yet somehow we managed to play the same song. It's a combination of mainstream EDM and deep house. Music has helped shape the foundation of our relationship, and when I think about what to say to you in this moment, one of our favorite songs comes to mind. It goes, "Let me be your answer, let me be your light. You could be the answer, you could be the light. Janine, you are my answer and you are my light. You light up every room you enter, and knowing that your light will illuminate my life makes me grateful, makes me humble, and it makes me feel like the biggest success."
Sun is gleaming on the water, nothing but the after in our gaze. A curve into your neck, kissing all the spaces that are left to hold you dear. Just pull me near. Smile bend into my face. You know how to move me out my way. And I call you on your shit, so you won't forget you're not that cool. And hold you dear. Just pull me near.
I promise to lead our family with courage, with thoughtfulness, and with positivity. I promise to put your needs and desires ahead of my own without losing sight of why it's important for me to do that. I promise to be honest and transparent with you as we navigate life. I promise to learn with you and grow with you and pass that knowledge and growth on to our children. I promise to face our challenges with unity and compromise. And I promise that if I ever see your light start to fade, I will provide the spark to reignite it.
You make me happy and it's hard to do. I was so upset till I found you. You make me happy and it's hard to do. I was so upset till I found you. Till I found you.
730 days ago, you walked into my life. 2 years. When I looked into your beautiful brown eyes with those stunning dark curly eyelashes, I recognized a man who is incredibly intelligent, a man who is kind, a man who is so undoubtedly charming.
I will lose my way 100 times a day.